Hey guys! In this video, we're going to look at the top 5 portable air compressors available on the market today. We made this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the link in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. Number 1. Makita 2.5 HP Portable Air Compressor. With a generous 4.2-gallon air tank capacity, a mighty 2.5 HP motor, and professional-grade oil-lubed components, this model from Makita leaves little to be desired in a portable air compressor, regardless of whether you are a weekend DIYer or a seasoned contractor. Part of Makita's Big Bore series, this air compressor is designed with a larger piston and cylinder to more efficiently compress air while increasing CFM airflow rates. You can expect 4.2 CFM at 90 psi. Plus, with dual fittings, you can run 2 pneumatic tools at a time without sacrificing pressure or performance. The Makita Portable 2-Stack Air Compressor is an oil-lubricated compressor. This means you'll need to perform basic maintenance to keep this compressor running at full power, but there are advantages to oil-lubricated models. For one, the lubrication tends to keep friction low and components don't overheat as easily. This translates into a longer lifespan, so long as your compressor is properly maintained. In addition, oil-lubricated compressors are often quieter. This Makita model is rated at 78 decibels, offering significant noise reduction over other models. Number 2. Astro AI Portable Air Compressor. Inflators are the smallest type of portable air compressor. Often used for small jobs and quick tasks, keeping a compressor like this one in your car is a good idea in case you need to quickly inflate a tire. High-quality materials were sourced for this tire inflator as it can pump up your car's tires with 35 min. It can inflate the 195 55ths R15 car tire from 0 to 35 psi under 5 minutes. Professionally calibrated to always return a reading within 1.5% of the pressure of your tire. Please note that after 10 to 15 minutes of continuous use, let the air compressor rest and cool for an equal amount of time at a minimum before continuing use. The Astro AI portable compressor takes the guesswork out of inflation. Just set target pressure and the device will shut off once the threshold is met. Keep in mind that the maximum is 100 psi for this small air compressor, but that's plenty for average vehicle tires. 3 nozzles and extra fuse included. Inflates any Schrader valve on cars, SUVs, motorcycles, and bicycles. The included accessories quickly inflate balls, air pillows, cushions, balloons and mattresses. Note: this pump is not intended for use with high pressure or large volume applications like pools and inflatable canoe. Number 3. Stanley J5C09. Be better prepared for on-the-road problems by picking a portable air compressor with a built-in jump starter. The Stanley Jump-It portable power station is a versatile tool that can inflate car tires with up to 120 psi and includes a patented SureFit air nozzle that threads directly into tire valve stems. It can also be used for other quick inflation needs, like sporting equipment, or bicycle and ATV tires. If your car battery dies, this handy air compressor's jump starter can deliver up to 1000 amps to get your motor running. For safety's sake, a reverse polarity alarm will give you a heads up if you make the wrong connection with the jumper cables. There are 3 different types of emergencies that can arise. You could break down and need to get your car to the nearest service station, or you could be in a situation where you need power for your phone and other devices, or maybe even find yourself with low tire pressure on the side of a deserted road one evening. In any of these cases, it's handy to have an emergency kit with all the resources necessary to come out ahead. To use this portable air compressor, you'll plug it into your vehicle's 12 volts power supply. Since the air compressor has no storage tank, it will run continuously to supply air. A 9-foot power cord and 31-foot air hose make it easier to reach all 4 tires of your car or SUV. 4 adapters mean that this compressor can fill tires, toys, and other inflatables with ease. Keep in mind that you don't want to stash this jump starter away in your garage for months at a time. Ensure it's always juiced up and ready to go by charging the unit once a month. Number 4. DeWalt 200 PSI Portable Electric Air Compressor. To keep up with the demands of paint sprayers, you'll need a larger portable air compressor that can meet the challenge without sputtering out. This vertical air compressor from DeWalt offers the performance you need while retaining portability, thanks to two wheels that allow you maneuver the tank like a dolly. Use it for spraying paint on household projects or for automotive painting. There are so many benefits to buying a DeWalt air compressor. It comes with built-in ergonomics and protection, includes two couplers, has a high flow regulator, and is up to 200 psi. In this article, we will go over some of the advantages that come with DeWalt's compressor. There are many benefits to DeWalt's design. First of all, it comes with a built-in handle. This is great for those who work on their knees since you can carry the compressor hands-free. The unit's overall size is 11 inches by 8 inches by 16 inches. Additionally, this compressor weighs only 33 pounds and is easy to carry around. Including the handle, it weighs much less than other compressors of its size and quality. You can be sure that this compressor will get the job done without weighing you down or being cumbersome to use. The air hose quick coupler makes it easy to disconnect your air tools from the air hose when not in use. This air compressor for painting has a 27-gallon tank and a maximum 200 psi. At 40 psi, you can expect airflow at a rate of 6.8 scfm. Enough to keep pace with the demands of painting using HVLP spray guns. If you need to bump things up to 90 psi, you'll still have a respectable airflow of 5.1 scfm. While it provides plenty of air power, this oil-free compressor also boasts a 78 decibel sound rating, saving some strain on your ears during operation. Number 5. WEN 20 Gal. Portable Vertical Air Compressor. While the majority of portable air compressors on the market are oil-free for easy maintenance, an oil-lubricated air compressor, like the WEN 20-gallon oil-lubricated vertical air compressor, has its advantages. These compressors rely on lubricated piston chambers that must periodically be refilled with oil for a long life of service. However, this type of compressor may offer better durability and longevity, since components stay cooler as a result of the oil lubrication. This vertical portable air compressor from WEN offers a max of 135 psi, and airflow at a rate of 3.8 cfm at 90 psi, or 5.0 cfm at 40 psi. It can keep pace with high-volume air tools like HVLP spray guns or many pneumatic woodworking tools. The 20-gallon tank means it's not as easy to maneuver this portable air compressor, but two wheels make it easy to tilt and wheel it around your garage or shop. Thanks for watching the video.